In this demonstration, we're going to show you what it looks like to submit your first MTD VAT return. We join the demonstration where we're on step 3 of the VAT return, so it's already been reconciled, and we're ready to submit it online. So on the right hand side, we click Submit Online. The online submission wizard appears and you click Next. Ensure that the correct company name and VAT registration number appears and then click Next. An authority page appears, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you can then click Continue. You're then prompted to sign in with your Government Gateway user ID and password. Once entered, click Sign In. You then click Grant Authority. You'll then be prompted to choose your period, and it should default to the correct one. Just make sure this is correct and then select the checkbox to say that you agree to the following HMRC declaration and then click Submit to HMRC. Once completed, a congratulations message appears indicating you successfully submitted your VAT return to HMRC. You click Close. You then return to the VAT return, and as you can see, the VAT return is now flagged as being submitted.